Today we are going to explore the so-called protection rights within the Convention on the Rights of the Child. Children have the right to grow up free from harm. That's why one of the core pillars of the Convention on the Rights of the Child is protection. These are the rights that shield children from violence, abuse, exploitation, and neglect, wherever they are, and whoever they are with. The Convention recognizes that children are especially vulnerable. They depend on adults and institutions to keep them safe, at home, in school, in care systems, and in times of crisis. So the CRC sets out strong, clear obligations for governments and societies to protect every child from harm. One of the most fundamental rights is the right to protection from all forms of physical or mental violence. This includes abuse in the home, corporal punishment, bullying, and emotional neglect. It is the responsibility of each country to create laws, services, and systems that prevent such violence, and that help children recover when it happens. The Convention also protects children from sexual exploitation and abuse, child trafficking, and child labor. It prohibits the use of children in pornography, slavery, and in any form of work that is dangerous or interferes with their education or development. These protections are essential to upholding children's dignity and ensuring that no child is treated as a commodity. The CRC pays special attention to children in vulnerable situations, such as those affected by armed conflict, living in institutions, or in contact with the law. For example, it sets out special protections for refugee children and for children deprived of liberty, emphasizing the need for care, rehabilitation, and reintegration, not punishment. Governments that ratify the Convention commit to more than just words. They must develop child protection policies, train professionals, investigate abuse, and make sure justice systems are child-friendly. They must also raise awareness among families, communities, and children themselves, because protection starts with knowledge. Protecting children is not only about responding to harm, it's about creating a world where children feel safe, valued, and free to be themselves. By guaranteeing these protection rights, the Convention on the Rights of the Child helps build a safer world for every child, a world where no one is left unprotected. Stay tuned for more content about the Convention on the Rights of the Child and other subjects related to children's rights and their history. And thanks for watching.